People, so my mom just cooked some chicken wings, so I decided to do something with them. I turned them into a chicken sandwich. So yeah, step one is to cook it. My mom cooked it in this air fryer here, but you can traditionally fry it too. And then step two, we're gonna grab some bread. I'm just gonna grab some bread quickly. Time to grab some scissors. Just putting it to the side. Okay. Step three, put it, grab the chicken. Now, grab some other stuff too, like, I was going to add some cheese, wait, but I was also gonna add some ketchup. It's gonna add some lettuce, so I need someone to cut that. Yeah, let me try to find this cheese slices real quick. So we didn't have the cheese, and my mom didn't even have lettuce, even if you want that, but we did have pickles, so I put a pickle. Now time to assemble it. Now, the final step. No. Dun, dun, dun. Now, time for the review. Well, you actually got any chicken in bar. Not bad. This is pretty nice. Right, by the way, you can use any kind of bread you'd like. So I just use this bread. It kind of looks like a burger. I'm sorry, I'm not giving my review. I just want to eat this because it's for my lunch. I wanted to make this for lunch. Anyway, pretty nice. It tastes mostly like those chicken sandwiches you find at restaurants. The only difference is that I don't find too much flavor in the chicken, but it's just the chicken that I'm using. And but like the pickle and ketchup like taste are so strong that it's like over like I can taste them instead of the chicken. But if you use a different brand, maybe that won't be the case. Anyways, I just wanted to make this quick video. So yeah, just want to make a quick video. So yeah, until next time, goodbye.